Place this plant in your home today and you will be surprised. What I want to tell you, the first thing of all, is the name of this little plant. If you don't have this plant, go right now and buy your plant, or ask your friend, your mother, your mother-in-law, your girlfriend, anyone, because you will want to put a plant like this in your house. What is the name of this plant? Her name is called Zamakolka. Have you heard of it? Okay, and why are you saying to have it in the house? Why are you saying she is powerful? Write down what I'm going to tell you, because you're really going to take your hat off to this plant of yours and want to put it in your home today. The first thing I want to tell you is the easy cultivation, the easy propagation, the easy life cycle of this little plant. Why? It is a plant that does not die easily. If you grow this plant and know how to cultivate it, it will live for more than 10 years, 15 years with you, and it will never abandon you. Why? Because of energies. We are now going to get into this energy part that many people disagree with, and many people agree that this plant here has a lot of energy. What I also want to say to you is the following, for those of you whose pages are turning yellow, okay? Did you see that my leaf is yellowing? What could it be? First thing of all, water. Alcoholic Zemia. She doesn't like a lot of water, okay? At least one watering for a week. Once a week is enough for this plant to survive because of the water. She doesn't like a lot of water. Second, sun. This plant hates the sun, okay? If you put it on, you can get some nice light, but not that intense sun, not that strong sun. We don't even like the sun, okay? Not even us, our body. Our body needs a strong sun. The same is true for plants. Now I'm going to tell you something very special about the plant and energy. What does this plant have to do with energy? What will this plant do inside your home? How will this plant affect your environment, your health, and what will it do to your body? The first thing that many people know, and everyone will question and criticize at this moment, is the following. Here you come again, saying that the plant has power. Here you come again, saying that the plant absorbs energy. Really, my dear friend, my friend, for those of you who don't believe it, leave it here in the comment. I believe the plant has power. Also, I don't believe that the plant has power, that then we have better support to help people. The first thing it will do is purify your environment. It will purify the environment for the other plants. It will purify the environment of your home with negative charges, with charges that sometimes come from far away with other people, bringing that person who really has that high charge. That this is true. Many people have charges. This plant will absorb and release positive charges. The moment you see a leaf turning yellow, and it's not too much water, it's not a lack of fertilizer, what is the plant doing? She is sensing the presence of something strange in your house. The plants really warn you. For those of you who don't believe, my dear, the plant will warn you if someone bad is going to arrive at your house, if your house is disturbed, if your house needs to be blessed, if your house really needs saving, the plant will let you know, okay? For those who don't believe, for those who will say like that, only Jesus saves, my dear friend, you're absolutely right, okay? But it's a really powerful plant for your home, a plant that will help you in your life, a great plant for your office. If you can put it in your room to sleep perfectly, okay? It is a perfect plant that is easy to grow and propagates. You make the change through the leaves. If you liked this video, leave it in the comment. If you didn't like it either, leave it in the comment. It would be really good. Until next time, and a big hug.